In this video, I will show you how to fix battery drain apps on your Android phone. Let me show you how. But the first thing you want to do is open up your Android phone settings and scroll down right here until you get to battery and power saving. Go ahead and click on that. Then here you go. So from the top right here, your Android is going to tell you the number of apps that are draining your battery apps. So at the time of making this video, about 56 battery draining apps detected on my Android. So what you need to do is to go ahead and click on here to open it. Just like so. Then you have all the apps right here. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on optimize now. And you are done. It's that simple. With that, all the battery apps, all apps that are draining your phone battery will be fully optimized, and the lifespan of your phone battery is going to be drastically improved, just like what you see right here. Battery optimized. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Android phone settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.